Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. What have I been up to? Well, I'm trying to build out an industrial area, and so I've been busy making some kits and trying to work out how it's all going together. So let's give you a quick update on where I'm at and where I'm going. I've been trying to lay out the components of the industrial area. So I built this gasworks kit, a lot of components here, and a gasometer, or as some people call it, a not gasometer. I've heard people say you don't call them gasometers, they're gas containers, but whatever, anyway. And then, I built out a whole slew here of kits from Metcalf, and did a little bit of kit bashing on these to do things differently. I kind of trying to lay out where these are going to go. I think I've kind of got it to the point where I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a road in here in front of these buildings, and then the road will disappear off in front of the gasometer. I got a track I got to lay in here. It's going to go in towards the gasworks, and we'll need to put some coal staves. I did build, sort of scratch built some walls here. I've got some walls that I ordered from Scale Model Scenery, and we'll show you those in a second. I think that's probably what I'm going to use for the front walls, and I'll take these scratch built walls that I have here and put those in the rear. So, being busy doing all sorts of stuff here, as you can well see. Partially one of the reasons why I've not posted a video in a while is because I've been doing all this stuff. These are the walls from Scale Model Scenery that I've been putting together, including some sort of nice capping stones that go over them. These are really nice walls because they have this whole sort of weathering look to them, and the fact that if we look at the walls, they've got this three-dimensional aspect to them. I was looking online for some gasworks industrial type pictures, and I found this, and I found this interesting because this wall here very much looks like the Scale Model Scenery wall because it's got the panels in it. So we're going to definitely use that. And the Scale Model Scenery wall also has these and what do you want to call them, but these components that can go on and give us some relief in terms of three-dimensionality to the walls. So as I add that whole section to the layout, I want to do two things. I want to take the track and embed the track into the layout, and so I took some foam board, and as I was trying to get this foam board sort of looking good, I thought I could do with a little bit of relief. I started off spraying just pure matte black paint, but I then thought, wait a minute, I have some of this wonderful stuff called Flex Seal, which kind of doesn't work, but it does work in terms of spraying onto these boards and giving me a three-dimensional effect, which I can utilize on these boards. So once I get things sort of working and get the track embedded into the boards, I'm going to try this Smooth It road system from Woodland Scenics and see if that will kind of help in terms of what I'm trying to do with getting the track embedded into the foam board. The other thing I'm going to try with this is I'm going to try this road. It's sort of, it comes in a roll, and it's sticky on the back, and so I'm hoping I can sort of just roll that along the boards as I put them together, so I've got a nice road in front of the industrial unit. Having pretty much laid out where everything's going to go, all I need to do now is put it all together. And of course that's the easy or the hard bit, depending on how you look at it. So as I do that, I'll put together another video showing me putting all the components together, and hopefully in a few days we'll have this all ready to go. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully sooner than later we'll have all these components of buildings put together, and we'll have a nice industrial area on the layout. Thank you for watching this brief update. Please like and subscribe. You can subscribe with the button to the top right. On the top left there's another video.